to automatically amplify sound around you and transcribe them using routine in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, you can use the stock routine called Hear Better. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine, and then tap routine. While you are in the routine screen, tap the compass like icon at the top right to see the list of the stock routine available. Tap more accessible and then select Hear Better. Next, tap Save button to add this routine to your routine list. A pop-up menu appears to ask you to add the widget for this routine to your home screen. To continue, tap Add. By doing this, whenever you want to hear better with a headphone, you can start the Hear Better routine by single tapping this routine widget on the home screen or by tapping the Start button on this routine. However, when Hear Better routine is active, your phone will automatically enable Amplify ambient sound feature and open the live transcribe. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.